Hello guys, straight to the point. I'm going to show you how to clean throttle body, whether it is electronics one or manual one, using carbon choke, which we normally call it carburetor choke. So this is the lubricant you use to do, but there are two ways to clean electronics throttle body or manual throttle body. Either you can lose it out or leave it on the engine, but like that. But in case your engine or your actuator, throttle body actuator is in manual, it's a electronics one. This is what we are going to do, and watch it carefully. You have to tap the accelerator pedal fully while the battery is on, then you turn on the ignition. This requires you to use somebody in the engine to operate it for you. If you are alone in the house, you can't do it, so you need someone to do it. This is the carbon choke lubricant I use. It cleans a lot of dirty, and it also removes moisture, dust, whatever, and it helps these actuators to function well, because these actuators didn't function well while there's a lot of dirty. It can give you engine rattle, engine malfunction, and then rough idling, which is the reality. So you need to avoid this at all costs by always check, and it depends on your area you drive. If you live in a dusty area, try to do it maybe every 5,000 kilometers while you are on set to, change your engine oil. Tell your mechanic to do it for you, but it doesn't require to all cars, especially most of cars. As soon as you temper this thing, the throttle body actuator will shut down and you have to replace a new one. So whenever you want to do this, contact your mechanic or your service provider, but we also help you to do it. So all the procedure and step by step, requirement to put in the video description. So whenever I did video, I keep saying this and again. After watching the video, go to the video description and read it so that it can help you to understand it and know what exactly the video is telling you. This is what we are doing there. It will help you a lot to solve your problem or issue once and for all. This is Eric Auto Center. So you have seen there is a lot of change. Now the throttle body actuator is clean and the engine will also function well, and you as a user, you are good to go. Before, it was very dirty, so there was a lot of manufacturing and rough riding, and also at the same time too, it causes a lot of engine rattle, and we don't want that, so we have to set it. Thank you. See you in the next video.